Hey yo, what is poppin', guys? I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are nga. It's your boy, Kayamulisa, and I'm rolling again with another banger. If it's your first time coming to my channel, please do make sure that you subscribe. If it's not your first time, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified once I upload. Don't forget to also like, comment, and share this video so that we can grow together. So basically, guys, today we will be doing a kota challenge. As you can see, I'm with the gents here, and on my left,
This is Per. I don't need no introduction. I'm eating these niggas up.
and on my right here, I have
You with Ubab Kumalo Luchek and Ameshenkom.
yeah. So basically, guys, the rules are simple, right? The first one to finish eating their kota is gonna get like the 5 sleep. Like the first to finish gets a 5 sleep.
For real?
You can we also have drink your drink there. We have our drinks here, and yeah, let's get into it, guys. Yeah.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone.
So I'm gonna be asking Ujay Per Uguti what is his strategy in terms of winning, right? So, bro, what's your strategy to win, bro?
I'm just gonna chow this bag and relax. And drink the Coke later.
Yeah.
Sprite.
Yeah.
That nigga ain't seen shit. So I'm just gonna show him flames.
Yeah.
This is what I always do. I eat every day.
Yeah.
So I can't fail today.
Yeah. So as you guys heard, his strategy is to just chow. That's his strategy basically to win. So I'm gonna be coming with Ubab Kumalo. Yeah, sharp. What's your strategy, boy?
Ngeke ngidle ngizoyigwinya lento. Ngizoyigwinya lento. So abadlayo hayi bazosala besidla mina ngizobe sengigwinyile. So hayi ngizoyigwinya nje. Ngizoyigwinya nje. Ngeke ngidla, I'll just gwinya it. So the boy must relax. The boy must relax because mina ngidla ujeqe ngiyawugwinya ngudla njalo ngingenamanzi ngingena coke.
Yeah.
Ngiyawudla.
So you're not gonna drink your drink.
Ngidla ubhatata. I'm not going to drink it. Ngizoyigwinya lento.
Okay, sharp. So basically, guys, we're gonna get straight into it. Me, I don't have a strategy. I'm the strategy myself. So I don't have to have a strategy because I'm a strategy basically. So yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna chow these niggas. Yeah, guys, don't forget that each one of us are representing our cultures. We are representing our people. You are representing the Bedis, right?
Yeah, Bedi people, eat pop, stay healthy.
Yeah, and me now, I'm representing my Tswana people. You guys, I got your bags. I got your back. Representing the Zulus. Right?
Yeah, I'm representing uZulu and siyazi ngobhatata ngojeqe siyabangena.
Yeah. Let's get into it. So who's gonna count? You'll count for us.
Count what?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
For what? How much time are we having?
5 seconds.
5 seconds to
Oh,
eat.
in terms of starting.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's say 1 minute to finish.
Wow.
Or 30.
Who finished? Is the win.
Oh, who finished? Oh, I'm never 30 minutes. Okay.
The first person is
Yeah,
you can't.
Who are you scared of here?
not scared.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
I'm scared of C. To be honest, I'm scared of C.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh yeah.
Okay, but so the game can start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Position. Got to see also win a challenge.
Is it recording, bro? Bro.
Idlani manje. Bora, echt. Hlafuna ntanzi. Hlafuna uzakhala. Cheese.
Ah, my friend.
Hale nto njami ufuna hlafune kahle ungajahi. Ungaphinda abantu.
Very wrong.
Cheese, hlafuna kahle, but take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
No.
So you again ungawina njalo. Again ungawina. The winner can be anyone. The winner is cheese. Cheese is number 1. Sierra is number 2. I feel the same one.
Uyavama.
Yo.
Ngihamba nabo kuma competition serious.
Cheese beka practice ingaka.
Ngalile time. Rizala ndo 5 minutes.
Don't stop it.
Ayepila.
Yo, lo muntu beka practice lo ingaka.
Nah, I wasn't, bro. I told you I was gonna win. I'm the
No.
strategy myself.
Yeah.
No, this guy, come on. God. This guy's been practicing.
My number 1 is cheese.
Nyama nasaji.
Number 2.
Yo.
Ngikunyatsa nje yami.
Nani kusamnahani.
Was a man. Like,
Yes, sir.
me, I charge.
Yeah, that's
like, I charge.
Yeah.
I told you, you're always gonna lose. I told you.
Ayan fe. Naga nanga wall. Ari ringa papa nu. Le bistu.
Yeah.
Dan nganya wena kama rotwa dozi. Kota ti dadi bosi dirile.
Cheese
I
better
lost.
practice. No, like, but then I feel like Minu cheese better practice.
I wasn't, bro. Like,
Nah.
I'm. That's how I am.
Mm.
Like, that's how I am.
Yeah.
That's how I roll.
Lo muntu ulume twice. Up to the last cut. That's not 2 minutes or set.
Mara eating is natural.
Is it?
Yeah,
You train for it.
Right?
Yeah, imagine if you had to eat 3 quarters a day. Yeah. For a month. Hey Joe, let's just say 5 kilos. I don't know how big 5 kilos is. But like if you were to,
You can
to
stop
eat
it
5
and
kilos
start it
every
again.
day. Uja. Hey,
Yeah, let's wrap up the video.
See you in the
guys.
end.
Let's wrap up the video. So yeah, basically, guys. Yeah, I won the challenge as always, guys. Like they lost to me. I came first place. Sia came second place. Jay came third, ne? The loser. So basically, guys, I hope
we
we
planted this. Like me and Jay planted.
really.
Yeah, like we didn't want to hurt your feelings.
No, there's no way,
bro, it's a YouTube video.
Stop the cap.
How can you lose?
Yeah, how can you
It's
lose?
like expecting
Yeah.
Mr. Beast to lose.
to
He
lose.
can't.
He can't.
There's no way.
Like
Fella, you're eating like
no, we like honestly we
That's how we do it. Imagine if I were to be serious. I would have like sort of.
Just do it. Like you guys lost and you guys are just beat, huh? So basically, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified once I upload. Don't forget to also share this video to your family, to your dogs, and everyone else. See you again in the next video. Shut up. This is how I like